Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Kick Game gift card online. In order to do that, follow the steps till the end. First of all, go ahead and open a web browser, and then in the URL box type in shop.kick.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will then come across this page from where you can shop for items like hats, shirts, hoodies, and much more. Simply go ahead and scroll down until you see this gift card option and click on Kick Shop Gift Card. Once you find the gift card option, go ahead and select the denominations you would like to include in your gift card. Select the quantity of gift card you'd like to buy and then click on Add to Cart, or if you want to shop with Shop Pay, click on Buy with Shop Pay. If you want more payment option for the purchase, click on More Payment option and then complete your checkout process by entering your email, payment information such as your card number, expiry date, security code, and so on. Also make sure to fill in the billing address in the text boxes and click on Pay Now in order to purchase your gift card online. You can also get your Kick Game gift card from Foot Locker, JD Sports, Sports Direct as well, since these are the major retailers that sell Kick Game gift cards, both physical and digital. So that's how you will be able to purchase your Kick Game gift card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.